Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today we are going to be making a pair of wood earrings with some crushed glass and some pieces that I received in the mail from Create Along. So these wood blanks are from Create Along as well, and I had an idea of something that I want to do with these. So what I did first was I sprayed them down with some acrylic white paint, and this is going to be a really simple one, guys. I'm going to get my resin and I'm going to kind of just fill it up here with a thin layer. I'm not going to do a very thick layer because you don't need a thick layer. So just take it and spread it. And you're going to definitely want to paint your wood blanks first because you will see a little bit through. And it'll just look much cleaner than having the brown wood show. And my next step is I am going to take my little dragonfly and I'm going to put it in position. So I want to make sure it's exactly where I want it. And then I'm going to take my crushed glass and I'm just going to sprinkle it. I'm not covering the whole thing, just sprinkling it through. Try to get that where you want it. I'm going to keep it away from my little hole here. And then I'm just going to kind of spread it around. But you see why I say to paint your piece first? And I'm spreading it around because I want to make sure that it's exactly where I want it. Like right here I have a lot, so I'm going to kind of just take that off. This is going to become a magical door pair of earrings. Or a magical window, however you want to put it. It's like a little magic window with your dragonfly and your beautiful colors just shining through. Okay, so very, very simple. Do the next one. I'm going to do the same exact thing, but instead of my dragonfly going that way, it's going to go the opposite way. And I want to make sure it's pushed exactly where I want it once again. Okay, now I'm going to put these under my UV light. All right, so my pieces now are cured. Everything is on there really well. I just like to kind of go over and make sure nothing is going to be sharp because you don't want anything kind of poking your neck. So if you, like right here's a sharp piece, I'm just going to kind of pop that right off of there. I want to make sure nothing is going to like jab somebody's neck. So just make sure you're taking off anything that's overly sharp. Go around my edges. There's a sharp one. Okay. You have a little glass stuck right in there. There we go. Beautiful. Doesn't that not look so pretty? It just reminds me of a little magical window. That's just really what it reminds me of. So you can do the backs in the glitter if you want. I am actually going to leave these plain this time around. I'm not going to do a double-sided earring today. I'm leaving everything plain. But I am going to edge it in silver, or yeah, I'm going to edge it in gold because you can see my sides didn't get that, my sides didn't get coated in the paint, the white paint as well as I was hoping. Let me take that little piece. A little piece right there. Nope, that's not going to come off. I love being able to bring you guys like these quick little tutorials sometimes. You know, I do a lot of the longer ones, but sometimes just bringing a nice quick one is really nice to show you that you can make some really cool things quickly. And I think these blanks, these wood blanks, are so perfect for this style. When I saw this, I just thought, oh, this just reminds me so much of a little window. What can I do with them? And of course, I love my crushed glass. So, and that's it. Look how simple that is. And it's beautiful. I mean, you could even edge the tops, which I am going to do because I'm a stickler for edging my tops. I like to edge them and make it really look like it's kind of just encased there. So this particular pair, I actually need 2 sets of jump rings because of the type of post I am using. If it's laying this way, I need something that's going to go the opposite direction to hold on. So I do actually need a smaller jump ring to go on this. So I want to open this up, put that on. I'm going to get my mini jump ring. I want to make sure it's closed first. Make sure it's completely closed. Put that little one on, and then close your big jump ring. And then, because the way that these are, all you do is put it on that small one and then squeeze. Let me squeeze those together. And that's it. And then you got this beautiful fairy magical window. Is that not beautiful? And how easy was that? And you could use all different types of things. You know, you could go right to any store and pick up these little pieces here and just put them on and make as many different types of little magical windows that you want. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial. It may be quick, but it came with a beautiful result. And if you did enjoy this, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. It helps push me out there into the YouTube world. And I will see you next time. Bye.